You want to make $10 to $15 just for typing for something you hear in an audio file? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. Hey everyone, welcome back to Affiliates Den. I am Danish, Assalamu Alaikum, and before we get into the video, I would really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you know whenever I release my new video. Now, about this video, we are going to discuss about a little website called GRM Transcription. For those of you who do not know what is transcription, it's simply a task given to you by people who would like to have their audio files transcripted in the form of documents like PDF or Word. They just want them to be, documentized. No, that's not even a word. You know what I'm trying to say here. They just want it in a soft copy on a document inside a computer. Whatever the terminology can be used to describe that, they want their audio file to be that, which is to be transcribed into documents. So that's what this little website offers you. GMR. Did I say GRM in the beginning? Well, I am totally off today. I'm sorry about that. It's been a while. I was gone for a couple of days, maybe almost a week. But now I'm back, so I'm gonna, I'm just a little rusty, that's all. Well, GMR Transcription, they offer you tasks, just like any other website. And the tasks are simple. All you gotta do is go over to careers, and over here you'll find two options. One option is for certified translators, and the other option is for general transcription or Spanish transcription translators. This one obviously pays well because you have to show the proof of your certification, and then the hourly rate is I think pretty much over $20. I'm not really sure. I'm just guessing here because over here the average is $10 to $15 per hour. So if you don't have any certification, obviously you're going to pick this one. Click here to apply. Then it's just a little form, and you'll have to fill the form, and you're ready to go. I've did a little research on this. They are registered on GMR. It is registered on Glassdoor as well. Glassdoor is like TripAdvisor for companies. People can put in their reviews and their experiences about the company they work for, and the company sometimes respond to those reviews as a thank you note. They mention some gratification that they're thank you for your comments and stuff like that. It's a pretty neat website, and it's like when you're about to join a company and you did well in the interview, but you're still on the fence whether you should join the company or not. This Glassdoor website is the place where you're going to find out about employees' experiences with the company. So it's a pretty neat website, and the pay rate is, as I've told you, its average is $18 to $28, but I really doubt you'll be able to make $28 per hour, because that's definitely for certified transcriptionists or translators. So yeah, that's a pretty neat website. I really think you should go ahead if you don't have anything going on online. If you're not, having a blast, enjoying your business or some online Etsy store or anything, then start with this. Save some money, then go for the big bucks. It's pretty neat. They always have jobs. They never run out of jobs. That's one thing that I read in one of the reviews, and that's a good thing about these websites. Whichever website does not get out of jobs. It means that they have good clients and they keep on coming back to them, and the website is doing well. So go ahead, sign up, and start making some money. Even though it's not going to turn you into a millionaire, but still it's something. And if you want to be successful online and be someone who can inspire others as well, well, for that you can check out the description. There's a link over there, a free webinar. I would love you to attend that webinar because it's free. You are not losing anything but merely 40 minutes of your life, and that's those 40-minute investment is going to get paid off when you're done with the seminar. So please go ahead, do that, and love you guys. Keep on watching. Please hit the like button. I really need likes. I need views. Doing this for not just for me, but for you guys as well. So, and girls, So you people. So keep on watching my videos and hit the notification bell. Again, please do that so you'll know whenever I release a new video and some new content. So, all right then. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.